G'day everybody, me again. I've got this giant plotter here. Well, I know it's not that big, we'll just call it a normal size plotter. Unfortunately it suffered some damage in transit. When they were loading it on my truck they buggered it up, so there's not much chance probably of it actually working again. All the heads are there. I think they're the print heads, I'm not sure. Print head cleaner, they're the print head cleaners. There's your dye buckets. Oh, they come out. There we go. That's got some weight in it, that's still full. These are all still full. Anyway, blue, or what would you call that? Cyan, white, yellow, more cyan, or blue, pink, black. Damn. Anyway, what I did find floating around inside the machine was this, which I do believe is the print head itself. That's what it says on there. Print head, 81 die. So I don't know how that's come off, but it has, or it was loose in the machine. But I tried plugging it in, nothing happens. And as usual, stuff that I get from the computer recyclers, they took the power switch out. I know how to fix that easy this time, so I'm going to get my drill, we're going to rip this back cover off, going to have a look underneath, put the power switch back in and see what happens. It's all one piece. Had to butcher it a bit, one of the screws was threaded. No, well, I threaded it actually, you can blame me. So now I got the back cover off. Interestingly enough, 40 gigabyte IDE hard drive. Come in handy. The rest of it's pretty useless. Some kind of RAM there, it's probably no good for any PCs. Cervino A, HP Invent, parallel port, Ethernet board. It's kind of like a PC, it's kind of got like an ATX style supply on it. A 4-pin for the... maybe it is just a PC actually. Wouldn't surprise me. Power supply unit over here. Like I was saying, somebody cut the damn power switch out. So I'm going to fix that and then we'll see if it runs. I can't see why it wouldn't. I'll plug this in on camera just in case it goes bang. That would be nice and spectacular. As long as it's not that big cap, that'll fuck me up. Maybe I'll stand back a bit. Oh, fan started up, that's a good sign. Very good sign. Hard drive's running too. Look, the whole thing just fired up. Whoa, cool. Maybe it does work. Oh, nice screen. Close right door to continue. Initializing, please wait 5%, 10%, 20. Switch power off, check print head path. There's your print head path problem. Maybe I have to physically switch it off. Self-test, please wait. Fitting up disc. Okay. Oh, this is another thing that's going to be a shame to wreck. 256 meg RAM, 40 gig hard drive, very good. I think the print head's really unhappy. Something might be rather seriously jammed. Oh well, I'll start taking more covers off. It says lower window to continue, and when you do, this thing starts to sound like a jet engine taking off. There is a really nice fan in there somewhere. Oh, we got much further this time. I can hear it moving the print head around. There we go. Wow. Oh, we got to 30. It's a good sign. Initializing, please wait, 99%. Checking cartridges, 8302 receipt, 8102 receipt. HP ink cartridges successfully installed, press enter to continue. Ink. Oh, we've got plenty of ink. Ready for media. Print quality. Oh. Roll or sheet. I haven't got either, I'm sorry Mr. Printer. Lift lever and window to feed media, I wish I could. Now it's probably going to whinge because there's no media. Ink okay, print head's okay. Once again, I think this machine would have been 100% working if it wasn't bozoed up and bashed. I probably could have actually used it. My mate Dan said he was interested in it until he found out it was damaged. He would have loved it. He could have printed all his big photos with it. He doesn't mind paying for ink. Too bad, too bad, too bad. Oh well, more Teardown. What do you reckon? Oh well, it's getting a bit dark. I managed to trick it into running with all its clothes off. It's usually quite hard to get female things to do that, but it's doing it. Anyway, yeah, I'll do a bit more tomorrow and we'll see a whole sequence of it start up. And thanks for watching.